Any edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and ne. Could the brew. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. And you edusa herbal capsules. A yoko kuni sicilian drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Roxnassi. Namen serve.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. Emma memejina brand. Na a yemay.
Na edusa ya was saying me bravo we.
Sweetie, maybe come on, mammy, I draw more.
Hey, what does ye? Aye, chuma.
It's a living testimony. Koneko Judy.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Obie to me. I just have pain for 1 woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FD, I should share a dreading cat to him. I dare to say a ye.
Dabia me ka say ye wo ahaban ene ye wo ahaban ye nyina ye nim se efre bibi en haban mfaso be na wo so ye nim so mfaso ndie mu bebere dogu ye mu bebere bona duro se wo hye ase ahaban gyan fiche wonim ne ye de ye watre ne se didua na ba fa ahaban no esa yare e ka sa ahaban yankomo kakra be na betumadi afa ahaban
se ka ahaban bia ni ahaban ena ahaban bia so dwuma aye den eye ebu ho ye di but ye sa de ye ade foforo. What I say, Habaya, Sebi, Nipa Brinimono. Saban Cronwa, Nadi no nafa. It is a Sebi, Yarabia, how Nipa said, Dao Subiano. Unyo Bionim, dear, or Bionima Habaya. Enche, Nebosame, Nemi, Mosmino. Enche, Habana Crona. This will be your Bio Nimu. What Timaba was a Haban, we say, that's it, Ebeco, Enocre. Me Gideon, Bibia ono. Our Habamu. Me bompire crana, necessary, be simple crana. Bompire necessary, me say, on chiro bia would limit our habam because century ne any other Sabian be free rubber if you have bank cronem to be sure to Samia. This up Bompire and Guana Minado. Yarea over Barbia over che breast cancer for nona a check a cra. But Samadrobajua within 2-3 days was a assassin, both A and Po, baby bano, ampa affided and nanny. Each having only 1 month. Hepatitis B 1 month. When you are 1 month straight, because checking every mojan. I had drawn the war, me mom pie or me near suffer. Me do cinema, me do kama. It be so bibia. Set me Kumasi, Quadaso. Udu so for liar, now afro, Quadas Agrica. Ube see what women's training center, and now as a quadrilla bank. Ofro Agrica. Udo do one more, also Pamagana. Medasi.
You would D4 and you would D4. O D4 na ye bo awemfo ba da wote se wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na num asem simape na wo hunu se wo pe ba bi pa wo pe D4 bi de wo ho akobata no a ye wa D4 mu ahodo minimo ha ukure ha wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha wo be hunu ni nyina moborofo oni bie papa na basa so na ene gi se me wo mu se wo yale na ba na kache ha ono ama ba bia wo beda na wamodiane adi kosi se wo benya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepe bia kompai body a e jape kurum ene e wo se woko anigi se be wo mu se bosumi bia wo ye all 91 ti bia wo hwe bia wetima prepare na wa ba bi bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu na wo ye no all 9 fa number na egu afidie ne so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo se wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko hwe ne mra
ya frame nana ye bo akogifo awiemfo ba me wo japekuru adum na nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa me de medwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka nwisia mobro wafo bodi ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wudi na wo me wo ba ni nya gidie se Obano anase wankasa mu problem na be dey ebe sofo gidie nimu a unso kristo nya twase obi o ede ko wo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me no sisi a wo hwe me wo na me no wo kasa asem no bra ani achinyi difo ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba ebe pie me so no ye ka che wa be yo nwanwa na be ju nsem mi hewura mu baabi na de beda ahoto be de baabi a wo beda de wo betena aduane a wo bedi wo die wo ni hwekura me se wo de beda enye achinyi bomoden abra na abeduru ha wo be hu nyame ani monyam ene ne kese ye me number wo hwehwe makira kwa de benyam ye 0243
baby ameka me say infections etiti wa what the ani say be ma won saka edusa herbal capsules na wa memene ebeye system ni mo adwuma ama sebi infections thing na efio so your ba wasikika so your ba sebi otimu say eya na insufita ya na efi wase na eba wo your ba otimu say infio no me ehwa bi e ma bebre na sebi o e me ma no omudi empaso agruwi na ese gina ehwe na no ejeme dem ho ne ade obehwe no very beautiful girl a oche no ho pa ne nso no na ewura ho na opia sebi or the pampen rim at the pampan ADP. The Bassana Muniaba at all class no sweet. What the answer say, Obenon, a year edusan about capsules, now your system no more going to be a come on. Why a bear my why put to your memory baby Sebi. Obeheno na ejapadene die nantem no ehu ayekru nketen bebre na ka se bombs nketen sebio ene wo kuhia be ma on se nware nka ho a wo be hu no ene na che se orobo san gua na ope baabi pa etutumrika eduti akwakwahye mema mesremo mununumbi ase egro me kama sama yo sempa ma chopa mesremo mununumbi ene anope madam be from say ako edwane papa asa branti be dware wo nware da na the nasty feeling is a kankanya na wo de pinte nuti na mempenu no I'm so really mesremo ene mu secret ba ko mo sori anopo tututu a mu nware mesremo mo ga se mo kwaba na fi ho age pampan se basa e hajene madam fi atma akante ne emema no amenka kyeremo mo asebi ade akia se be ne mu nware age abono ndu no nkono du binu ase mo dware no obabi si on percent so what's no edusan roni bi sebe ya udware wi na bibia aye kama na ede amawo afi no omo mecha no ebeto system no mu ade ncheche ama sebio nyarwan kitinkiti abodon pem e ho no ebe clear no ama so utim etimi aye de omo numbers no e release screen ase na wafa na wona edusan for atwetwe nkomo help bi a wo pe no wo mo ede ebe mawo odifa na ebo ajape kromoguso ebo adwuma de she bi o ye no ma basa fa kodan papa na odinubna ha mani de si ebe saya de na ama won so wakoma etimi atoyem ama sebi wato ka ede akoda na se na no pay waso yasne mamenka say Dr. Amagana Dr. H.O. Prisi baby I will be a kumaso kwada so opposite the Women's Trading Center ena obeho Dr. Amagana Dr. Sebre na edro die adoma chede ntutubo so kwa me de ache no enti enu no o 1 trillion bi na ko say trillion enti ko na 80 payo gonorrhea syphilis o candida o bibia bodon pen yare bia e wo system no mo no in fact o de dro be can within 30 minutes within 1 hour na akle no every ho ama won so utimo ayo de numbers no etwa de nchichi screen so entifa na Dr. Amagana etwetwe nkomo the number no so no e ko say ya simple so nice with the screenshots na fa to phone so emo bia wo pe bia no friend na or the ebedom me say o kuma se kwada so directly opposite the Women's Trading Center eho enabehu Dr. Amagana intimesro ko sisia nzama mobile ni amoti kobo number 1 kikamesia mane ajaje mu ala urebi amole jijibela bebabera Dr. Amagana ke na obaveyire ya habe mabemu a bad pocket ankasa usimkwa be chele be matina ke eni bi oke na chisi wuro ne ka betoke ansa na bedwa so bakunde yiri obaza hane a ha dwen witi bra kakra mama wura nkontoke ansana wa akunda yiri kakra bra obafo ya via machine yemu wuri bia mo nipaduani na so asanzo ko si nipaduani mu no ni aveyire ya ha ona donko enye ahra eli fanti fonso wo hwe nyina wo bomozi na wombra momma yareba no konto ansana ababe hwedru ombra Dr. Amagana ho na ono nsoso onfedru onfanka on obi ono ma obekọ obedi akwani abada ma o se de miti ame o ma mon kombra o cha mokwa kwhwedru o de ma o che de why busy only time onfa ma no ho pocho ment no ho ma o che de on count to entumi nyehwe ansa na babo hwedru aba Dr. Amagana ho machine bi ho do be shim no che de we hu bi obi detoxify system no so amon ma won so onhu wato na pomozin so waye wodia ma memra oti kokko so krom na mentwa so ewo asante twi ni mu na menka nche o se ene ma die nyina me amadamfo me amofa ba ko pe Bushman International ene wa woda Bushman eno mama TV kakraka bo me dem enti Bushman happy birthday enkoma nyame enyi mfra dum enkwa dum wutirim adwempa enti ubenyina che na favor emu so nkwana nyina na memie kwan emausa de meka ne se nyame onhyiraw wutimi hu obi da kon se nipa we di ahoye ni nafa nipa we di opo obi ankoso onpo no nko a nipa we di opese obi adidi and one Bushman International. I met you a day and I have read you na me hu se we nipa papa na me to nkwa na mwati Bushman onye wakoma so de emfa emmao nyame unshraw ene me do lunch be bro hwemenim e wo Agric Junction and anope ichia p CJ fashion so kumasi amekomo no e na ojebre e clothing me anope bia se opatare ya friend was 0268505021 na ompomata de bia wope emfa emmao na CP na sita ma memre fie mema abedwafo akwaba na fe yemfa dwumedie no enhyehyso ansana mema ofalumba ene abrobe ma siti poke akwaba no na meka o say se wonya subscribe to your channel ya na wa subscribe na interesting videos such as say it be going na wonso onsa account de ofa akwaba
yeah cool
bibi aboko nice one my abro my executive Friday how are you oh can we necklace am makachro imprensa eno a shede you where you ni o kwa beto bi abre me we ga wati what are you if you for nyina ho ye
kopam wasem kopam me bana emra asa o do bada o
oh so say am I here
oh yeah in fact my respect
Emma great
when it comes to what I
yeah so what did you do? You did?
Yes.
Oh, nice one.
Friday. Friday the bar need to do
sir.
Friday na month we go China local wedding Sunday se local sorry. I want to go say o car fit any to me anya ma o no me den ko sia da no. No me den ko sia da so mo ni line set and drive pa.
Any as we him.
Said the bear Monday we betimi ahwe Koowaa Show ni bi ntino. Misro go drive wa careful. This weekend
nice one.
Monday
yeah, one here. Abba net not today Abba. Bogos of one way di.
Na I'm not do bogos of
nice one.
Bi anu ye Bablo Tinjesi former MP. Also chiao.
Catch and damage.
And also show African when nation was tell him up. That's money for sending cents or that's what
Mata say each when you don't want to see their television stations or doors now sure it's not easy. We love you all. Mamencha Miamadina or some dark papa. I want to see you and easy when we start doing it. I know send it. No money. Santi, Papa, Bru, Sabia, Bishop stories and cry, and you see Chabby, I'll be on a beautiful wife. And now, pay me cameraman, Kobe Frank, my director, Ochinozo, Lonnie or game, MCRs, Queen AJ Hipsy, and so Eka production team. No, now made me first story, Ebrewa. Na, Yadina, Yunia Bema, Yembra, Yunkunu, and also Usubempa, or ne a year, Yem Papa. Honorable Hobson Adoye. One more letter, Aquacoma IGP say, IGP, and then I'm from him, a man for say, allegedly, Bruni Neckos, allegedly, fix the demo, no, fix the country, the more a caution. A man for be Kojiji Sika, Chichuri D, and a Omodi is sad, you know. And you know, IGPA, letter near some, na investigating leaders are, Womo, Edano. Emma ye fix the country the mono ever. Nesika kom. Ejinu ko ekwenu Mama, me show video name but still that's uncle I'll be back.
We are presenting this as a petition to the IGP.
Fixing the country no eyekufu from where you mutia hopes na doye ene Ernest Usubempa ene dano. Omo de krata koma IGP say fix the country one omo ye demonstration omo di animo no. Omo nsem bi omo eka ye no ekire se Ghana ya mambra no yentungu na ya de bi ha adwen papa enunti yentu yensan frɛ no mechirechiri mu adekodi enti a emomo eka sa.
Na unim se se na omo se ye wa Fourth Republic. Na verse 1, 2 and 3 no. Asoja for na say no. Yeah, no, Babru, your voice, Fourth Republic, you no. A bro modo among crata, comma IGP, ye no, or more any central for a dinkomo a church or Munse Musse.
Oko, Yamra Noir, 1992 Constitution, Article 3. Akase, Obi Biara, Obe 2, Sa Emrayagu. And I say a coup, Mobile margin say, or Mutu Embranaguno. Let's just say, or more Abum Rasso. Ya do court na say ye boa for just asutwe wom ni say esese ekun na ya de ya mompa ese ebekum obia but once I wa buso no emra no mu sese obi ye attempt mpo enye se watu agu keke wo ye attempt mpo se obetu agu a emra no obedi sabe say ye bai ananka mahama ye ayi Ghana nyina yie na akufa Dubai o topic asema ye say yenko tutu ni nyina mbubu ni nyina mu ade ebubu ye na say fix the country ani ato ase ade abeto so kwame nkroma hyase obi ye kakra enne ade ye hu say yetimi fix the country na because emre bia ye adwuma enne president enambo no wakobuno is wako ayi ye ka say almost every day bia no or commission project. Leaders no mudia ni mono, sika no mu party. Let no mo yesa. Omunim so mu yesa ya be benefit opposition. And the opposition for no discover be momo, samonje mo hona monye. Enuntia no mo ye. Ya de we are here to explain to Ghanaians. Niama ayeyi. Na obi a o ye serious o pese face country atem didie. Ane biti
we must abide by laws. So if you are fixing the country and you are the same people going out there violating the laws of this country, it is totally unacceptable. So we have written our petition to the IGP and we believe in the IGP and we know that he's going to take this up and let the law take its course so that those perpetrators or those people who made those comments, leadership in total, will be brought to justice. The leadership are here obviously because of
Yami unsha papa ne pa na na mompa watu na yami nsha omuso omudi animu se yemfese country no enya bone se oman no se ya select leaders na ade a omoye eto achew na woma wonani aba won ho so no kanya ne bone kwa so bida no na yedi nkon no ka bibi se ntine nyame ma ye kokurumoti se ye ne yemfa nselect wo nka ye power pa ye se nipa na amwa ye na nimfie na ibeduru. Yes, you are chance and you're baying the Nianso. I don't know best. And thank you, bit number one temporary because and some will be no be and show I was so from to no. One, I was always a buffoon count. And your buffoon the ginger more one solicit will be at the end yet. Now, my solid airport count was him. Indeed, Nipper be a woman to have a solid ideas and one or two are commanded actually. Now, will be buffoon peas so our Casaya on Tanya but them back. Jano nanko was the leaders near the moon. Nanka ya mobu kuyano, na mobu mano se ebia ye meeting ketu abi ni akasa akọ abontin ka bebirebe kasa se o man na ntima amfese ani mfie na yeso ye nyina ya adwenkoro se sa party ye nto abama ni bio banyini to an ye mbehye no eno mu odu kra cha tembidie no because wo ye nyina wo ye se na ban ne bekoso atena so a no be hu se dom we di wachi na afi wa na nso se o man na ntima amfese yi a afi e be bia na ado dan kwale na MPP aba ye ntomo mbiem ye nyina abo ade so ye ate ase banyini ne to a ontimi ntena dan so okokan kasa bia ekotu mragu kasa bia sa di oyo ne beba na no za me mfatu mi se sa de na omo ye especially Captain Smart no asekwa ma me ombetima akoso ntokwa bia nipa ni idea but yenga ye dia ni munya ye make sure se ye ne ho oden ba ye na natifi oni ho oden sa ntokwa esisi obetima dwane ba wo na ntimi nwane sa na wo fa bi sabe na bemma bi nso te wa wontimi nwane ye wo manketo wa muntimi ebia na wabra ba akoye wo ye na o mate abrojire nti e ba wo betwa ticket akoka ho ba ntimi fa busuafo nyina ni wachi nko usika ni wo ti asem na se nti ya ye nwene sa ade ni nyina ne ye nyae nne ye sikwa so ne ye pesika ye gire no so ne de aye ne ye pe bi e free se e de ahoto bebre ye bia no o munyae meda bia nke o ko am o man na ya adwempam a Kristo kra ba mbo da wo so na emo ma ye negative thinking se ye nya na panyini bi diska bebre na enu nti wudi tietia panyini bi anima ni onim kokoro mu asem no mfa nchewo because na sas na oboto anya no na wo pray for sani empanyifo ne to nyom se yen ala ya sasini e ya bodende ma ye no anya no na wo ye bi ato aso rada wo de ye fo obotom nyame nya hunu ne sa obetwe waso eji adwuma de o ma ye bi ba kasa fi kasa bi abekoso asabe e de ntokwa beba e betu o man ne mra agudie sadi o mo kan no me yemfa nche o mo na Mr. Adoya ne madi ne ho ya o kakra sa ade ekwan bi so no so amekasa yie se mejidi se opposition for na ama o musika so mo nkoye bibi etesa na asa wonsu dibira wo wa aban mu no wo ye ma particular party bi untimfo adwen sa je she so nya mo man no what you say so ya mo man na MPP ni bi su betuma abasa na ado te so kra na hi enti no omuso mo nyina mu na ni masia na ye nchenyi na ado fa different politicians bi mra ebi kra obi to ope ya semalanka asem na ado betra so ya MPP ni so nya da no onso betuma maskasi ye nya bibi ni ye hu sesa na ado aban na nye sabe ya MPP fo betra ase na ya change akofo obi fo no so wa idea obi su betuma ya kra discard chese ko basa ya nto amana na biema bi aba obi abeba we beba no na me wo interest um tie da nya na ya anyada na na ni bi eno so wa idea enti yasra asem bi se ya ba wo mu hunu so man kasa yi no man kasa yi o man ne mra sisei enti yamfa nkodi o mo to man ne mra edi o mo a o na be yi no kura aba se bi a party aso mesi ma biska fe no nya nyina so ba ko straight sa as MPP for na select o se ba ya adwuma mo man no ti wo do wo ho e ko ba sa no kura ne pa ya hwe no ya heda nya enti mesre no se ibisa no ya no wonu ne kasa na timaboa ba the way no mo bo adwuma
no I think say me no be ya adwuma fa baby I say ne
ani esa na say I start you come dia ko dia we politics asem enko baby enko baby
my bro
yeah na ti say
na ko padom bra
me asi dad
great
the rest of that person.
Nice one.
You see, plain bean now Ghana and on a man team their cage.
Alright.
Almost opening personal or any
short surrender.
I didn't know that is the best.
Okay.
You could have some TV so on a radio so. No matter keep their check-up to spot see who some of the bribe now they are problems the other, but they went straight to IGP to give their evidence. Say IGP evidence you wouldn't my security for and shame. Say we no more Mr. and rather say na indi. I wanted the I'll mark him 100%.
Alright.
But obi abontini media be kasa or Kasimbia penny and kasasa.
Really?
Or see on your sure say na do buy no na ye Ghana nyina ewie and na topic as mom so mko tutukuru.
But was it wrong for him to say that?
See owie no kasa no.
Okay.
And no sanchi bebe na do wa obiebie enyuma wa ye. So you don't go there. After what the letter na come IGP na we share media, you talk about what MPP is doing now. Because you have the opportunity to talk to the media. Media na be nsem ne ko. But you can say na na topic as man say go to community and said and we here This is Ghana that we are talking about. No matter what we are Ghana. Abana was in the MPP, Abana was. It will be any challenge or try or any better MPP Abana. Now you have the opportunity to meet the media. You don't say anything apart from telling them, say, fix the country a year king. Namiadum, Nana Kufuado or fix her. Nana Kufuado ye way. Be because is it a politician? Obi ye will be a broken. And my team is until one of the papia. Them can't say, Obi Yadi Obia, if I say Obi Yadi Obia, a Bogosu, MC, OC Hospital. But because media didn't go try into you, so as the MC, when you have the opportunity, you talk about hospital.
Okay.
Because you say fix the country. Panambwa, the case is school dying. Meno can say MPP are buying Egusi school dying. So you don't talk about you don't mind them more, but when you have the opportunity, you talk about what the president is doing. Now I said them of a kind. Politics in oneself.
Are you sure?
I'm a politician.
I know.
I've been in politics for 26 years now. To understand politics. We say politics wrong. A bit me actually go a Ghana, Kabayo, Banan Kawayu. Head see a jail and say a Jessica. Banan can one. Either see a jail and say a Jessica. You won't pay for me, recently penny and go to my pardons on Ray. Or say, or why none of home funnel. Say that the pressure cost rules and the man of presidential party. Can check your muye and should be on YouTube. Ubekono na kukrebi de wa yele the hospital for almost 6 years. And the prison hospital now for more than 6 years. No, don't need. Say you politics bemu pe na de na kwa say. But IGP obe or fufuro.
Okay.
Captain Smart na asu ojinidi. Captain Smart akate so ye mistake on fan channel. And the leaders know we have fixed the country Captain Smart can. If there's any connection there, Wadam from the start. I rest my case here.
Hey, and then they share so the never started and I say on Fano and start here quickly on Facebook. Let me drop a couple of messages and then I'll go to my my second story. But still, my name she Bushman International. Happy birthday and call and Famao and I don't pay Sanso and Dr. Kennedy Owusu or no coffee time here baba and you see no a year unkoswo hine ewo nehiso ichiamo yeda ubibia ebeta ichi ema events no ekoye ne yeda munyina se na nyame onstramo. Good morning everyone, please, how are you all doing? It's from Abura Dina. Abura yeda see for message there before you're watching us live. You said good morning to you, Sweet Bishop, and of course with Jam and our bro Diana. I love your dress. Thank you so much. Francis Boatin says that good morning to you all. Kofi Miracle said good morning, Queen Diane. Good morning. Kofi came back to say listen to you live from Abuazi for Yadamase. I mean in Shramo. Adolf Kojo Tete said that good morning. Please, your picture is not coming on the TV. Like seriously, maybe it's the network around your area because we can see ourselves right here as our monitor is showing to us. Yeah, it will come. Don't worry about that one. Yeah, boy, Edward says that please there is okay. I'm skipping it and that's one. If for this says that if they want the law to work, they should start from the leaders. I will mention for calm down. Heavy duty Madrid that says good morning, Koowaa crew. Watching on live in Accra, Medina. If for this a wisdom talk, Bishop Yao Philip says that offer good morning, you make signs. Queen AJ Hips says they are on air. Thank you. If for this say it's true power, Bishop. What the man is saying about money is true. Heavy came back to say that this leadership is very wicked. Please work hard and pray. God will bless you. All right. Georgia Christisa Fusisa of Lumba, take your 5. Tom Paul says that I don't know why Hopeson can go so low and talk as if he is a day nursery kid. Oh, come on. Just because of politics. Now, come on, calm down. I beg of you. Smiler says that good morning. Watching live from Ashaman Night Market. Thank you. Heavy Duty says the leaders have books. They have book sense and lack home sense. That is why. Joyce says that please, madam, tell that all cry. They on air. I'm quite boss is buy him my own video. Then good morning. You do all in your dresses today. You let us remember our old days. You let us remember our old days. Leaders learn from Diane how she dressed. Thank you. If what this is what the two men are saying is not important, because if they want the law to work, they should actually start from the leaders. Some people say Hobson and Owusu Bempah must stop what they are doing, because they are provoking the youth of Ghana and a whole lot. I'll come back and read most of the messages for you, but quickly on my second video, I'm at Ebro, your mom, your sister, your mama ngege. Mama ngege eguso ekasa. Kamia kwa se social media there. To be my way, no wishing to be man, dear, and one at Ghana, you crum had it, social media, no, na, my men get say Ghana, see, I mean, now, bigger quiz, any year, mammy, the den, mammy, agrada, now, evangelist, mama parts. One more, a new plan, a bar, one more, a bit to be Ghana for. Yes, she video and stay with us on Koowaa.
24458 4438 Fredisia na me so opant dada no enfama emai me to mo pant dada ba ku bia me to ne 10 cities enti ku obi a frɛ me number nie 024458 4438 Fredisia na me to opant dada no enfama
Atiefo Mate,
am I? Mr. Tomo Pant.
Was money bunny papano? Was money bunny papani say? Tama Susa acquire the sacrifice. Tama Susa agrada Edi Mojako. Wakwanya, what didn't she share any moon? Prison ya wabe conti. What did she share the moon? Essay and don't to know what any Nura Wakajini Benin. I went to me a fanco and Nurana Grada Quajini Benino. I want fancono. I put someone in this sumino at that time. And Nurana was dear Sabaya or Jusica, police intimation. A brass was our Koba for the air. Woman Panqua. Omupe oba omupe Ghana for ma di woma kwayade enti wasuma ni PRO a wodi no ne na wo no wasuma ni baby father because when you say onya bitia ni baby father isu benya biedi wasuma ni kura still dada Wasuma ni baby daddy yo. Se on piemra no ameti Ghana for draw si pieto dada. Yemi anu Ghana for mesra mun share video yi. Na enko enkurase. Agrada ti emema tu muram. Agrada ti nipa tu muram. Agrada tu kofua tu muram. Aya sa branche agron wodie. Aya sa eye sinibi wadie no odi abeshem. Eye adie papa. Enye se makani timu konkreti sinibi. Na ma shada dia ba beshem. Wacha ewona shada beshem dabi. Me mama dia siasa eto ate. Enti wa ya ombe dru America aye sinibi ahye sinimu. Etiano Abrantia way and a Piaba Bontemba Cafe. Nema Mia Wawono and I come never pay free. Agrada baby daddy say, what draws the dada and ma? What draws the dada 10 cities? We saw also brochure draws ya abu of false lie. I want go first fly and go to draw si bay. Every say baby I want to call you no. I'm to brony draw si belly a chance sua. I dear money quiet no any ye. Miss Ramu say video ye.
Nah, I radisha mamma and gagger. Now, me dear foot to be man in there. That messer and noir. sɛbi ɔtɛn nipa onsusu ntan na ɔkɛn ni bere ɔyɛ amana aboro so bɛyɛ akwesi nipa ofiri Ghana ha bi maame agrada abɛka ase wasakyerɛ akwasi timi ka replace on the onsakyerɛ nti sɛ obi ɔso onsakyerɛ ɛsɛ ɛdɛ ɔpaade atɔ a na ade kɔ ha ɛkɔ ha yɛ ɔsɛ wasakyerɛ nti aseɛ ne yɛ deɛ yɛ nea wokɛn tɔ asomu dɛm akwasi no ɔno wate afiri na no so ɔte aseɛ metie yɛma platform sɛ memfa nye program na yɛntua meka ɛna meyɛ program ɛdi sɛ kasa bi firi ma no aba na a same bɛɛ dɛ hunu sɛ kasa sei na mpɛ sɛ meka nti pia abɔnten wie na apɛ sɛ odi matam na akɔ kasa sɛ beta plateau ɛnyɛ sam da akosi no ɔte sei no wabɛgyae wei ama na bɛsi tv so a wopɛ papa no na adi natam ɛkɔnim yɛ pia firi badum sɛ kasa a meka na metaa ka deɛ a wobɛdi natam a yɛhu sɛ metaa ka ɔnka ahwee but pie one day pɛ na wogyina so de kɔhyɛ ɔno ɔno na wopɛ na yɛ no na maame no ka make sense di akwasi atam akwasi hwɛ ne suba no ne yɛ a wu sɛ wodie wɔ ntirim kakra nti nyɛ biribia na ɔsɛ ɔde kɔhyɛ maame no nsa ka biribi kyerɛ akwasi no ɔwɔ sɛ yɛkye akwasi a yɛnkye akwasi na ɔno mɛka sɛ maame no na ɛkaa sɛ mempɛmena afei deɛ ɔbɛka nea woka a na woka because ɔka yɛ nyina akyi wɔmprove evidence bi ɛkyerɛ sɛ sɛ biribi sei na wokura nti a wonim sɛ yɛ maame no naasom akwasi deɛ sɛ maame no to ada bia wogya de yaw nkɔade bi wɔ new idea kura me no ka sɛ ebi kura akwasi na ɛpɛ trend foforɔ na ano yɛte ano sɛ ne maame ne ku awan ne bi kura wa create Instagram na ɔde akɔtɔ na sɛ bɛyɛ nipa bɛhɛ adwene bɛkɔ so ebi kura na mfa wudie ho hwee ebi so ana fa ho paa bada no kura ne deɛ yɛ nim nti no ne ɔde baayɛ na ayi n'anim asɛ bi sɛ sie sɛ mfa sɛ akwasi ade abɛyɛ wudie na mo se sɛdeɛ woka ɔyɛ police panni na akɔkye agrada sɛ ɔda asoma ne nti a wogyansa ade kye agrada ne yɛ deɛ kye akwasi na akwasi nkancho sɛ nyame nkwa na me ni afei deɛ na wo kasa as a police panyin no wanyɛ wadwuma yi
afa me ntwa no sanu mo we nyina na ya na basa evangelist ma part ono so ehu a na hye na bufu sɛ ade na wo pese odi obi atem na ode mbeka na obekasa na Ghana for mo twene sɛ na basa
so ano ya ba twene sɛ ne abasa sɛ sɛ ababa yi kan sɛ me na me mama part na me di nkyiremu na me nkyiremu ya aba abɔnten a one mami ehunu se nkwasi asem no aka no two nipa se ebu kasa ne firi se makasa Kristo kwa so ne se obeba na keke ye hunu ne ewum wo so obeba na wa body dambo firi se me akro do mfana se na be kekase ya no kura na ehwe ne ye hunu wum ene ye se hunu si Kristo ban no je no na ya ne ye se abontin de obetima ba ma nkomo ni nsi no ne anya good content ewum ehunu se wo twa ntro na ato so na wo ka no all right di na meka cha baba yi se from the hoop adia wonya onto ne bo no ne maame na ye bipe asamba akwasi ni su ye bipa na Ghana pay for su nwura statisi ye beka se ya agoro isi wie su se hugu mu asem yonya hugu mu asem Ghana ye nipa tribi etoto ma pieto dada diye bi wa yemfa agoro nto nche na ye nto nsam frɛ sa akwasi na ye mfrɛ no se ye movie no otwa dia omfa ne huni ono omfa na ye takoro mra kameraman kura no ogina chi ene ya tisi ni bi ede ye benya no kore wo bi antimi ntwa nto mo akwasi na sɛ nye movie na ya asɛmpa dia ne odi pieto no ko obɛkyiri gwagwasi ni adwuma bi a wɔya ototo pieto de koye na won kyiri ko de agoro ni social media sa ma ni pe di bone ni pe ye ne omo ankasa ho beto omo ne diska bebo moto grom di pre nipa omo hwe ne sa na mo ayi nyina
abro bra
we amra bia ntimi ntia kwesi
okay
Ghana mra no spiritual side na yesunsumu asem you court but yen hwade say obi start say sabi ojimi say na say yesha da chine tenase nyema nu say nyeme buo mo ya ammo man enne akosi bisafo ma panties dada ma dross o ma hye dada ena o so oto me nimsa kwesi oye beifo two oye busumini because ono akase ono do nsum nyame ono agye TV so aka so ono do nsum nyame ono do so busum ana agrada sache so no nyina nso sachera ono de ono bi ona owo it is such a person koto and my pant dada na my pant foforo ko de se ebu bebiri ena ko boutique here since obi ansheda adi ntira ko dada no at the same I think last week that me you be interview bi who say guys in the top spam
omo ko to free
e to free asawo fo no
how
na so oba no woda na so wo se kono mo hunsuru no oja tu oba ni de ma na wakoton 500 400 omuto mimi say yakoye sam se
e collecting me nyina ma
o kuma yes spiritual thing nti enche no na ke be na kusibe be gina timi se e madros dada no to na che se obetiri obashi na ko wie bia beton de amano anya man na de be ko because and me twem mfitire
na wasi sisi
so practice business on ma mitimi you be for God because ba go say 10 cities tunya 10 100 cities
I don't know what say check that dress the aja ho nti o say check no one ho
so I say because who tire ko for say who to dross dada it's a bema kro nya bi wi a on famrel which is bad. It's against the laws of this country. Yeah, then oba ni won esaya eya na e di agro kan na say
and so see as agro
sani ya fanu na ko man bi wan pia friend dada so man bi ka video ba yi ka ya chin dada what the pants ni ya den
yes
send the video catch na Ghana post me the video me the pants ko say na obi o ti fi opo so o ti bi no onu so ejai enya kwesi na ba bon say ne ma me ne ku ni papa
sir
me sa kwesi ne ma me wi be 5-6 years and say the papa free code go be was
really
bigger quest me say me abura me tie me say bigger quest ne ma me ye no wedding e wa asonwa say Presbyterian church owu ya won ye ne owusom ne papa no code voix papa no so ye pharmacy or ye doctor no the man wasn't the doctor why you do confirm to pharmacy bigger quest ma me assistant penuku no ono me for bigger quest ma me confirm to pharmacy wono and no be in pharmacy wodum no the bigger quest ma me betina no bigger quest papa your doctor code voix no ma me no who is bigger quest na ma me nyem no onyem no odno try exam for school
and today into obeke cancer
jimie jimie just to say you making me see my code fi akoye ne brothers interview the bush my be brain interview no man kasa akosi de ni jibie and phone so sorry no car sem bi ma me car sem keke now this thing that he said akola bi opebe 50 cents 40 cents no onu obi pant obi wie o obi e bu obi ba because of pant for pay so we require that no then you should be serious because about 10 cents right
next obaka ko ya question no dia manana
oh there's something that goes open and the other number to go don't forget some phone number
sure I agree
sa confirm to TV say what do you 10 million ba men sanama
send numbers yeah
and say small boy kokunu akaswe o se o hwe TV so the man am ne kanti onu ko twani pesi ni akọ akwesi the number to go Ghana penifo ma me enfanye me trasa o dan o tuba ble obobo fo be ble ma se bi si
hey what is 600 na me class
that o tuba ble obobo fo be ble se bi o mu fi se bi a ya kwesi kan wa kan normal ba na se ye be bu obi ekunu e wo ma pa
ko kura ma me sa cha wo musa na ma me ni eska wo adwuma no no akọ ba bi ni esu timi yes ade na wa betuma ba ye adwuma no ba ja
enti no baka ko tito no no akasa
no abenya tumi
e bi na wo pe panta
ko ana na ma me ngege kase sebiu opeba
ye yusumpa
and so be sa ko first line
yo
go and buy them
you used that
anyway they warning kese ma e ma na muti kumasi fia na ye mo se mo pant no efe mutimi ye e hye ne dozen ade achi ana mo agi kese dry line wo fi onyina aboso na mo hata no two no mo mre na eba no ye be yin nyina
unu se wo sinyama na wo ba na wo yi ni nyina on kai de wo si ni nyina ho e da hu atale bi na wo hwe e bi a wo si panties e ma na bi ti si panties be 50
e na me ken
no wa hange
wo bo se no wa hye no paint rubber ma no the woman guso na watena se me see me panties me lady be me come say how do say me see me panties so machine nyina o say o hye ni nyina na wagifie o ahoma nyina na wa hata
it will hear
so eh am I be
so ka ko yan ka so bi la twi free ma it is here the bigger quiz at the time ma draw so ma say ti me siraw
and I make
it so ba na o hwe Kumawood TV na pay me so for news no koma unu ya ba bia
mo ko
so draw so hata odem
I wonder why some ladies do that compound house o waje ko ejesa homa ni nyina no pay obi ntimi nsi ade
e yen so a na motivate memma no so tene po de e mama ne ha
me comment I'm not going to mind you
no my pants no foot no be show na chia
I didn't
put you chairman no sister my pants dey what dey you My part red in this light green.
I mama me feel abro. Yes. Me feel more messages be abano. I think say my technical team are on it. They keep saying that the TV is blank and all that. Kawachine Nebuchadnezzar for Mashuma. Hi, I'm Yabi from Koforidia. Why is this morning scratching? Oh, Charlie Patricia said, no one about be brisa. Yata say, good morning to you all. I'm watching you from Kumasi and Makasi Kesi. Oh, today Kumawood TV, your network is no good. All right, so my yankofa my third story, Emma. Na third story, I no pay. I ask him. Okay. Stream me live on Facebook, Kumawood TV. Stream me live on YouTube, Kumawood TV. Share for others to be part of it. Now, Papa or worry, Joyce watching. I worry no akubu. I need I'm a forky see your moon say Joyce watching and you be a D'Angelo be. I want some baby Gloria Kenya Bekebi. Or no swap Bekebi. When I Gucci. He said, "My say Deja, the so-called ex-boyfriend, Mr. Mikon, Waba one thing, Waba explain, and I saw the reply to Sepa or Jama Gloria Canny. In she video number.
I should be any seminar and I'm a direct JB movies man. Me and I'm edit TBBA. And again, her concept will be I want to say, bear money or buy a Juman Kwan, the Adam is on in it. A idea, it will be a thrill. Let me open your mind. Let me tell you something. JB, meaning you understand? And Abu Sound say, Bema Ben and Cocoa to say, Obini Nere, Dano, ama police for Abachin, still on in a redaho. Nasebu, with a more fan chairman, said Papa no Jiminti, no as I'm a JB so on some fan could movie and fan Nana Namene Dado. God, who would do that? Mame got some show. Yes, I am support JBU. When we say or trend, I call delay interview, I call her. And this is also person, oh, yeah, now so trendy there. I bet you, I film we ever born. O Facebook page na nipa be 100 follow ni Instagram na nipa be 200 pe follow. One we say JBA nya trending tea. And tokwa em fan ho no. O pese also do hu be gym, please. See also was a career of mommy. I know a whole lot of stuff about you. I don't want to talk about it. It is also yes of mommy no asakra. Please, manning yes sir. Because if you are sit there, unim obi dachi into untimi intanishi obi image. Please, or your bar me person man be tial. Ana Jabins menini je juma no 5 years ni. Ni kunu sujano no 2 years ni. What you say? Many papa na net na se fa adwen wa mama scam a true story amomo or the amai nyina the shooting movie. Police station asema o kan producer bi na di yesika o ana e chi no kotum. What you say? Inti so si achima tum da. Mu betimi akọ central akọ hwese me Angelo Boatin se me records wo ho a. It's never true. Say assembly wo ho na oti abusami yansa no abegina social media ka de wo ye nyina ma hu se hype na wo pe na bet you say hype no nya hype na joy say nya na nkofo follow na people e pushing no you wouldn't get that hype inti hweso ne preach kire wa sorry ma ne you hu free sa ma we mu industry na mwa force say obi beefa nyame adom say all konanim no so do hu bagim. You don't have to do that, please. I respect you a lot. I decided not to talk about it because in some way I can no fa me it's music that I do. Moving it there JB na me ne adwuma ana ne support here ho ana obi anim boss ne secretary obi anim so moda obi anim say asofo ne singers da obi also nim say producers ne directors da mentality. You understand? And me doctor me ni problem bia me ne doctor ye cool. You understand? Ana JB any doctor break here because of personal issues be sa video na trending obi anim say a movie ana no mo ye and it went back.
Abrante friend of Angelo our ex-boyfriend of Joyce Boach.
What that?
And asam no kra one when see no be the message about say Uncle Fakus or say Diane tell Angelo tell Angelo to go for snap and egg and call Antoine if he won't die because I personally saw them fucking. Pacho, I didn't change for the trouble and move Angelo. Or say tell Angelo to bring snap and Kosia and call Antoine if he won't die because I personally saw them fucking. Over.
Aye. Diana Bema for Valentine case, mammy. And Tina's answer the Banama blushing of no metrum because Okodia Quay or Quay Botan, so Bema Hoquay or Baho. Banyana dangerous, who mammy will be our water, not Bema or Pa or Bana or your wallet for. And no, the other. Think I've run to the near Persia in Casonenco and Coda. Or no, I bemun a meeting of the onion home feeding, or Shinny Pebufua or no one on pet. Because Savita Frache or your brandy a fin was so. I may have known your bow piece or Donny Pair Bonahoka, no be winner, and Yanni Decora, the Christo Curachi, and when himself on Sonny Bonacassia, why any we say, it will be a beca, mention that mammy ye chema when ye. And then what day he passed, I say, no one doing him so much about or Bana Wally, and no one him. But Miss Nomin Tama no Bana Valley, and Tinobia when you him. But a wound here. Sabe o ka guni a ho fi guni animu ase no obi nim incidents e course ni ana oni kuntam tinti o ma na ho kwan ma sa de ne course ya na nhia so betena fidie so obi tuma your offer as unia na ye hu nhia but ade bi sa na me ye nhia
is it necessary said the lady she talk too much
tina make say mo nya nhia abufuo
okay
o hia abufuo na afo bi ba be manchire mu ni ehunu no kura pe ewum o ti ase me de esi bomfa ejo so o traje so kakra e che kurum kwan so ai ni e twa movie na invite om no mba no mbe duru ya sa no ma wies de kwakwa na buta se wies de kwakwa sei ni sa me no ba no ni kunu nte de kwakwa 2014 ye wie ya ti 2014 ya 20 sei mu how many years ti da se mimi shia na da so we uja aduma na 5 years ya na we ya woni ma bi wa na hu nya e ni pa hu figu omba location mi ana mo dan dem mimi tu free me dan me dem be da varanda so na ye mo dan nanim ti utra dan so no akwa akwadwenso ti me tra dan se me kwa akwadwenso sa set americation po be e baby ni abi wa hu nya obiegu na dan
go ahead so up everything
ye twamu na me te ho no asa ambulance bi a bele ti ada me din so bi me so te test dia mi sanu me live pa no ba me twa window ni mu kakra adi nyankopon dogina no odele na omo abo omo reto omo be shit omo be nyina omo te be shit mu no bai na enko ti wana me nyana mi nua na comedian ba ko na me jack na ko anda bi omo ka san da ta se o wi no o se waya me so libra na no on ko bo on ka do ameda bi o test na ko bi ebu na man yes ade me boni di ono to woni ni american ofiegu ni masama meken ade chinya na mbu afu na omba ye kra omantwa ade ba ye kra na ye si omantwa ombe da ma ade chi na omsole ko na ye obi fie mo no ama me ne so hesere kwakwa no ma ye kwan wo ho nya adan mi enu bi fie no ko hunu a e wo ho kromo nyina fie mu ofe no ko ma me ne be chiro se bi mu be pack ka wo inside ha be da aya na hu hia sam na nya na oba nso so aware enti oni abi wa ya na ehia ye nyina ya wo story but ade bi wa ye kana hu se e fa ho kakra enko hyehyɛ bufuo wum da bi ade de obehye wo fo no hu se evidence wo hu nya che se uni foda umetuma bobo address bi a no mo ye adwuma omo no nim omo de o set bi omo ka ho ba de no ni aye kan ya unya bo omo de ayi de na ne mpran no bi a no be no se me mpem ho asem o di ase during set nkura ni bi hu ye wakono ma afa magere ne okopa mo nkura ni free set na onu mbebo dia yani abi wa na hu o nyai ne ho ofe afa no asi ablabo wa ye mistake na twam
ses musia di pa ses musia di
oh na ko wanim ade bi on so 7 years ni nyana no hye bu fam drama bi anka na mfa me ho o di asem na se mi am location wa anye ehye me ensu bisa me mfi me nkan wa asem
so ne wa mani be biada omo di on be shit kra bai omo wi an on bobo sakoye no mo ye ne na
mo ni ateka mani ade bat wa ya ade na twam asi akrankwa na ya na se ukuraja opa mo nka mo nware
simple
eni wo so na mu ntimi nware dia den na mo yimoni ye obi boso a so dia sa yese bere bi hu ahi be ka sa na ni nua ka sa na me da balanda sa ya mpa Tia no better TV so ba na so ni o kan na no ko am da baranda me nkra ma na da e tatia ne yakoya ni me na baranda so da nkwasi asem so it mess up and penasa me ho ofe o mo nyama secret ne mammo na home so sa ani emfa ne nam ya
somebody says tell us more. George Akwesisafu says tell us more. Of assess Musia depart from Tompo. If what is what the boy is saying is not true, I know this boy pa enjoys Boachi. Shut up. And some day baby meba was hapodia and now buburija ewa hase meba bro but I think say of I can I debut on us away and who say why ya yen so why are you talking too much? Angelo, I know you pa you even of a WhatsApp now kind of you even sack a girl from a set because
and trying to see that actress been to them be an talk almost so now actress be a madam for pant or to for who are channel my call or much try in your son or with him lake or go to a movie view lake or much or hopa na me about who's and by what
hey am I near me it is some baby bra
yeah Dan Angelo no fan okay say Oshemia you phone oh say Angelo ma mene Sabi Cabra sister
okay
the back boy so we show woman bra wa bro movie industry mu jumadia wa yema the movie industry any level or one
respect
me simple of friend no me dim koma me pacho sam manusi because of baby or no mu 2 years
absolutely
ni abraba wa bowo mu no asam na aba no o timi ngire baby enyi wa no se nye no kore se bi enya kwasiafo se ni aduma nya nko na wa wi obi wo mu da nye nko na adi we ato but ye can say ababa wano worry na kese wo jai chire di oba wa worry die oba worry for die sister
yes now obeya way so I won't say probably the lady didn't tell him say
okay now sister eduma ne nyina ne ye yo on again ne ne mpena
okay
ana okosia papa no so obe worry no pene ye ama papa no worry no it the guy ese utu free ababa wa no but I saw you in terms of 5 years. Or Casa on really because on one again in your mansion will be my year with your because me met me at use like I say. Papa no worry about 1 year, not in the dark. What me country say? I didn't like location, minimum Angelo.
You're dancing.
Miss
of a Christ or
dancing. Me see me Mangelo from top to down and he knows me very very well.
Oh, a young guy.
Tim is going on your face. Who's a personal?
Very nice
guy, a very nice guy. Our good future. And I want him. A man there worry more, Papa. Our industry worry more.
That's all you then.
Oh, director.
Oh, okay.
On the Jamaica or Tunium.
A musician.
A musician.
Usaye.
No man, more than you run moves. Me and Papa video. And I'm never producing video. VR them producers. It's soon be a cool run. And my wife was saying, the pen of part tonight, bet you have to your maybe Boba could drink at the if I don't know, I will say it. It's my bad one thing. You see, a job is so good. So can you grow on so bad, no, so that can be here. Who don't want to want them all? Oh, the secret was a can you say, and my main cancer be
so still the upper your film.
Oh, what's up upon you fear in Nano, and my main cancer may be also say, oh, can you grow and won't send baby? Sana. Boy, can you also can you say?
Yeah.
And can dare you to bring in some non forward and what you don't say with you. Oh, and you don't say with you. Maybe no one trying. Now we'll see when you be always catching me or so be whatever. Make sure some more call because make the ebeba. You know, sometimes who took a who bet me a ticket, say be a go crew. Can't bet me say or council, no one you believe and won't check. me say or continue you are my car for floor. That is how abrabosity. I was advising my friend be say when you party no so on peubio or penny for fra see a suman man on nya what the problems in now kwa na ka young boy when you baba wa biti na papa penny mu atia baba wa je no one the wouldn't say or you married woman no can be no problem because on your bar when not tell what the boom you boom did boom and you be beauty what were no banner our mistakes will be able to miss the case of Benny Bio.
A brother there who say Papa and Bass or Penano say Papa with his cow and Kamuna Koowaa and I want to and also probably Yan is coming out go we are ye business number Pandis cab and business so I'm not never question to also can be said Papa Jimmy say on them back to national members because they found location oh Nimsa now won't find it so no Nimsa won't find it I don't know who I saw here what out so we know himself we are siding with your man. Now, come back say this kind of a move and they were in Kosovo. Angelo, so be Jim a foot to Kawanutum. That's how bad. A man tokwa, Berman Kubi, O Papa. Kaubai was a Canigoria, Minia Barnabo, Joyce, me, who confess me no be a minimum with a minimum, yes, never any men Cassa. Can you pursue a miniaba, Usman Casa, Ghana for sorry, the about functional so that people know how mature you are. But as a small boy with little mind, you know, or some member about him, and we here.
Now, when she wants the more evidence and so because I'm getting a lot of messages here. Angelo, what you need so stay mute and don't come back, or else you will hear more than this. Fool. Tompo.
From one of the
Tompo.
Okay.
Tompo no come moving from us and Angelo Honsam no Tompo come no dressing.
Messages no.
Why Tintina
baby pa me ba. Minimum no. But and I make her say if I were Joyce Boachi men kasa. What frame interview na ko fa e ho ba. Mpa show no comment.
Be good or doggy
frustration to many buyers are
doggy who be no good raw.
Sir,
yes, a picture of Papa.
That found Jim.
We shall book it in one room. Hey,
I want to come in and say,
I could be a bizarre. No, God, no better moving put
Let's go. You could tell it, blah, blah.
And then I always say, hey, Papa, what's happened to you? And a day. Forgive me.
I'm not focusing on bed is good. And your money be a so,
what are you trying to do?
Good.
The way I always say no now, I am fair.
Good.
Not at all. Get ready for the English because we are coming.
Oh, what's up? Don't mess it to my other. What's it? I'm going with this.
I'm mess it by. So we are no. And then I'll come in. What's all boring?
I
making me deal.
I think you're
good, Papa.
The one fast the rest I'm going to Bonnet will be a D. But who will be actually there? I said, so for near could be an anti who come in the park with any who prenny park any no free one chain. That's the lab as I can do. Who wants to yam your may on us or threatened to answer. Go little town the boo from bit magic who know at Mizikume, but near maybe your own. One I will be with them. So just in the only be who here.
Yes.
So you move no crown you car demo. Tenants of Henderson, Mr. Bonus and
Musso
Basso.
Joyce, I beg of you.
But then a foot to a man, celebrities now. I'm with you from celebrities.
Who is a celebrity?
Yeah, celebrity.
Oh, you Kofunim Nana. Because I say, be a TV, say so a celebrity. I want to cook a tinny dean back community, so a celebrity.
Go wrong, how you celebrity. Really? But I see, Mammy to me, no man. me adwuma we say you will meet because me mama no ko hwe video papa yi ko hwe na papa senepe and on the wire no the wo nti me so bi nsuo ba me so me senepe ya me kasa asem ba me tu manofo e wo mu say you say we use commercial banker on the pay wo Ecobank if you use money one of this year be man na one of this year ba but say what would you say who will be fear when it to you okay ah me ku ni mas wo say here me see and you be na kan minimum ba bi o to ko say to see na we ni nada na obi aka che ni say ya me bo na esu ke say production kokko be ba fa no mama me no ko our friend man aba nkoko no ne na da nkoko no be nya obi no so aka cho me call location Kintampo obeba na obekọ no so ne na da minimum obi asset so cameraman ne da director ne da lightman ne da PA ne da obaba
why no na make che e wa adwuma bi anti am person be ka esa ne de ne ye ya de
e wa adwuma bi am one person doing that
hey one lady
I'm not sure say ejuma ba ko awuwom accountant na wada general manager na wada na ukoliki na wada what kind of woman are you
problem dey ni mu na so e wura mu asa na de be wura ayi minimum lady bi oye kokko ne ho ofe pa director bi ampra no ejuma board director mu wodi ni for obi ampra no we ye location na ko to sa aba na wo ha director ni ti no one ne da sorry the same location free to cover floor so director on wodi na ono na friend ono na da sorry so your baba ko pe
we so sensuanica
ni mu ha o sa yes smarter mu nyina no so mo so ma fa nse fu ntino kokko
sensuanica
director ni tua oba
like
man na tia press kadeba man no eno mu to say me man almost come man na do mu girls no tips na no money have no match numbers no mu yi o mu e de man yan so di wo set
yes yeah ni sine honko
ni nyina ka ho let them that is why ya na crofo there say
ya wi man for say e wo baby a ko police no
but wo ka say oba ba
baby a me wo no
okay
baby a me wo na say me ka say wo yo ba na wo beduma man fan say o tim say be man me there na my star ye nya tupamu star ye enye se opeje onan ko wiema e na oba star na ka se ofo nyina stars wo Ghana adwenya wo de ba industry manu hia
okay
ana temi aso mo ba kwe na mo due gwa se dabu kwe na ane kakra kwe no de bia nso mo nya stars o de bia mo nye afugbo no be slave queens wo de slave queens no from stars no na fa company na mama ground Emily abrobe mu a omo ye stars na kasado
so ke fo nyina so mo to da o na me ye movie na me ya atwe obe fema na economy wi ano yesa
yes
because my mother do ahunu no homo was set so we nya he so we na de business asel no
na fe ska for no so mo TV so pa omo seda pa obi be seda you see a man and a woman wo hu aye nimpa obi afifi na eba ba me say se wo ba suban no be ba industry no wo be sia ohun nimpa ho because me we industry mo o mbe mo na me kan say me be for girlfriend who
all right
me nya side because who go different location me mess me
okay
start me tia say oh na me anda mo pam fi set so yeti bebre ye hu bebre so da me this year
all right and your fancy is something else altogether but I have this message that says Tompo says Angelo okay I've read this Tompo said Abro your advice is very nice to the youth God bless you and SMP actually mama cham humra yeba but my last story stay with us Uncle Why it's an English time or yes am I ready am I ready
I ready
yeah best is here I'm change
Adi oi honey I never surprise you Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who dreaded there you could brew who's a dow complaining with sissini cocoa pe ajiwakade Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who jack a sepan and neck you could brew winning a yama money mema Edusa herbal mixture and you Edusa herbal capsules and your cocoa needs to see your real drink a sepa
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Namen serve.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma Jina Brani. Na yemei.
Na Edusa ya wasese me brabo buye.
Sweetie, maybe come on mommy adwamwa.
Hey! What dance ye? Aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa Judy.
Wakaki ya
and separate obie timinumbi I just paying for one woman kwadano for any the onye mfie dumi
FDA ahwehwe saa adwade nkrato yi mu agye atum se eye
Dabia meka se yewo ahaban ene yewo ahaban ye nyina ye nimse efre bibi enhaban mfaso be na wo so ye nimso mfaso ndie mu bebere dogu ye mu bebere bona duro se wo hye ase ahaban gyan mfiche wonim ne yede ye batwe ne se didua na ba fa ahaban no esa yare e kasa ahaban yankomo kakra be na betumadi afa ahaban
se ka ahaban bi anim ahaban ena ahaban bi aso dwuma ayeden eyo ebu ho yedi but yesa de ye ade foforo what I say ahabanya sebi nipa bibiri ni mu no se aban kro noa na die no na afa enti se sebi yare bia ha nipa se daw so bia no onye obi onim dia obi onim ahabanya enche nye boseme nye mi na boseme mi no enche ahabana kro na diso onye obi onim mo tima bo se ahaban we say idase yebeko no kre me gidie ne me bibia ho no e wo ahaban mu me bompa kra na se sebi bibi simple kra na bompa ne se nyame se on kire obi a wonim di e wa haban mu because sankyire ne ene ya se bia no be free sraba e free haban kro na mu tu be shi obi to se me a yisa pompa enko na me ne do yare obeba bia obeche breast cancer for no na e che kakra but se madro bejuwa within 2-3 days bo se ahase nane bo se ampo bebre ba no ampa afede enane HIV so no 1 month hepatitis B 1 month. When you are 1 month straight, because I check in every morning. I had drawn the war, my mom pie or me near suffer. Me doing cinema, me drew kama. But me so bibia said me Kumasi Quadaso. Udu so for liar, now afro Quadaso Agrica. Ube see what women's training center, and now as a Quadrilla bank. Ofro Agrica. Udo do one ma also Pamagana. Medasi.
ye wo D4 ene ye wo D4 o D4 na ye bo awiemfo ba da wo tese wo falumba metabo ni din no ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na num asem simape na wo hunu se wo pe ba bi pa wo pe D4 bi de ho akobata no a ye wo D4 mu ahodo minimo ha wo kure ha wo hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha wo be hunu ni nyina moborofo oni bie papa na basa so na ene gi se ma wo mu se wo yare na ba na kache ha ono ama ba bia wo beda na amoduane adi kosi se wo benya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepe bia kompai body a e jape kurum ene e wo se wo ko eni ji se be wo mu se bosumi bia wo ye all 91 ti bia wo hwe bia wetima prepare na wa baby bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu na wo ye no na fa number na egu afidie ne so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo se wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko hwe ne mra
ya frame na ye bo a odifo awiemfo ba me wo jape kuru adum no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nche kwa media medwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofudie nyina me se me hwe nyanka nwisia mobro wafo oni ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame asem na wo nom na wudi na wo meye wo ba ni nya gidie se oba no anase wankase mu problem na be dey e be solve gidie ni mu a unso kristo nya twase obi o dey ko wo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me sisi a wo hwe me wo na me no wo ka sa asem no bra ani achinyi difo ho ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba e be pie me so no ye ka che wo be yo hwan na be ju nsem me hyewura mu ba bi na de bra ahoto be dia ba bia wo be da de wo be tena aduane a wo be die wo die wo ni hweku amese wo de bra anyi achinyi bomode abra na abeduru ha wo be hu nyame animonyam ene ne kese me number wo hwehwe me kira kwa de benyam ye 0243 35 65 83 bra na bedu ha wo behu nyame anim onyam ene ne kese ye amen.
Try hon aba na ye the last story na Ebremo na sorry jumedi eso na so far jagraja I think say oguso e kan sem na some other betu I don't know whether I think I agree with him in a way or say bema de so wuska na obetimi ahoba betimi aware de opibia was betimi aware more than 4. You can marry more than 4 wives if only have the means. Yes, you do. Bra.
Mom. What your band is soon to make Kutano. A down or beba won check as I've done a normal crabby now. Now, what your bow go to the certain level so them pie boba tawachi, na bonidians. Some man for in your water massas.
Baako ni nyina nso
baako nyanko point ni fasa ni nyina baako peda
se baako pe
wanya nso sa adoma chedie no obi a wale die
enti warrior
ba meba warrior ba mi nyane nyina warrior ba obetumi ahwe wo mama wo aba obedi ne be wo be hwan koda ma wo atete wo ma enti ono wo ni mpie da wo oh ena me just send ho time say den kura oya bafan wo ya pachi wo ye den wo bi tra hwe mama wo tifi wo hwe wo mama Asim we see, Miss Seneca Chilem. Busanse, the Busanse, nobody bebre, Debbie, we mean get move for. And I'm a wadia winning me, wadia winning, nobody know, and I'm a swing cat. Because I don't put other people in my. I'm in Pesa. I am no Dimatema Divin Quamatem, Yakan War, Salamity. Okay. If I also can see your baby. Nebano dear, Nebani dear. So officially in Nebano. And also me showcase. Nancy, I'm not official now. Okay. Nancy, I'm not official. Officially, Banajika, me banana, me bonicia. So also do what the Duka never two social media, come from social media. But to be pleased, me two more dear to the center, me demo beer, or because I said me were bar. I can't get me enemy dinner, Baba to send me were bar or Kusuku. Okay. Said in previous and me, you'll be bad bonnia. Send us more body. We should be dear bonnet. Tell them the other two so. Because the one I do are sorry for you, maybe it's one I didn't go school. Oh, Fifi,
alright, so far, Jagraja, that's it. If you have money, you can marry more than 4 wives. Yes, goes out to all the guys watching. Offer.
Ghanaians know I'm sick from Monday up to.
But it doesn't really matter. You didn't say you were sick from the beginning when it was P. So don't even bring sick in. Now that you're going to speak English, go ahead. And
as for my sickness, I'm using English, so it means I'm not going to stop speaking the English. Okay, so but I just want to tell them what I'm feeling.
You didn't say it from the beginning, so don't say it now. Let's go.
Okay, I get you.
Nice one.
I will not go far.
You go far. Give.
Why do you want me to go far?
I want you to talk more.
It's a comment, so I have to speak what is in my mind. Okay. You see that thing?
Why do you have short comments about this one?
Because as for this one, it deserves short answer.
Short answer.
Yes. When you go to Deuteronomy, the Bible will tell you that.
The Bible in.
I'm coming.
The Bible in.
Deuteronomy will tell me that only pastors have no right to marry more. But say a pastor is supposed to have a one wife. What you say? So when we came to when so it's not bad or wrong for a man to marry like 4.
Okay.
You see that?
It's not wrong for a man
only
to
you
marry
can
4.
cater for them.
Okay.
You have no problem.
Okay.
The clothes that you buy for your first wife, you have to buy the same clothes. That's the only thing God hates. If you can't do that, don't marry.
Okay.
But if you can afford all those things there, you have every right to marry 4. So
okay.
You get the point. It's not wrong at all. What he's saying is not wrong.
Just but like that. But let me ask you, are you not going to get tired when you marry 4 wives? Would you have the strength, or you're probably going to arrange for the 4 women that, okay, so this week is for you, the following week is for you, the 3rd week is for you, and all that until you satisfy all the 4 wives of yours?
But we have a man who has one wife, but apart from his wife,
go ahead.
Fuck others outside.
Okay.
More than 4.
Okay.
But he has time for everyone. So why can't you marry 4 wives? Then you schedule time for them.
Okay.
So he can do it. Do it. Never for you. My brother is something I do never more.
Hey, what song is that?
It's a very sweet song. I hope you get me. You're done and
Offer, because you're speaking English, looks like you really want to end your comments.
Today I speak long, pal. Oh, nah, you not here.
No, I'm here, but I'm not getting because it's like I'm the one, coming in to make sure that. Anyway, let me go to our brain.
Me ask for English. I don't fear English crowd.
You fear? You fear because I can't hear you.
Yeah. Yeah,
All right, Abro, so let me hear you. Your opinion about what Ajagraja just said. No tree. It's really English.
You hear from me. I didn't speak to you.
Diane, let me go by saying yes. I support what the man of God is saying because I strongly believe we are putting our culture somewhere and being following the white.
Okay.
Which is worrying us.
Okay.
Now you see, the white brought the Bible to Africa by telling us that when you marry one woman, you shouldn't marry again.
Bogo, so. You never die. Me never get to die.
Go ahead. Please don't speak cheap. You are done. You said you're not going to comment.
Brought the Bible to us in Africa to follow their tradition. You see, a white man will marry one woman and will be dating like 3, 4 different women. And that is what we are following in Ghana now. Now you see a Ghanaian will do wedding. Of which he's not supposed to date any other woman, but he'll be having 3 or 5 different women. Then my problem is that same person is going to rent rooms or houses for these 5 ladies. Now imagine if you are to rent a house of 8,000 for each lady, and you are having 5 different girlfriends. Just calculate the money and see. I think dating those girls for 5 years, if we can allow men to marry more, men will be keeping the money to build the houses.
But I don't think people are just, being hard on men not to marry 3 or 4 ladies. It's a choice.
No,
the women don't like
it. If you do wedding today, it will never be your choice because the law says when you do wedding, you cannot marry again.
Why?
That was. I told you I've married before, and I did wedding.
Sure.
So when you do wedding, there's no way you can go for it. Even if you go for girlfriend, your wife can go to court and seek for divorce.
The traditional one will permit you to marry again, but the white wedding.
Our local marriage, which is the traditional one, will permit you to marry different people, different women. But my point is, if you don't have money to cater for the women and the children, don't try it. Because taking care of your children alone is something difficult for some men.
Okay.
So if you go for like 2, 3, 5 different men and women, there's no way that you can cater for the women. Not talk of if you are to have children in. But my point is, our pastors in this country should try their possible best and tell us the truth.
All right.
Then we've had pastors who do go to sleep with prostitutions.
Really?
We've had elders who died in hotel with different girls, leaving their wives in the house. We've seen a lot of men of God chasing their youngest pastor's wife. One is obeying him, and it is true. It came out. Had it been like the law is like obeying him can marry 3, 4 different women.
Like probably he was going to marry that woman.
Sure.
Oh, wow.
You understand what I mean? So I think if you have money and you think you can even marry 100, don't do wedding.
Okay. Just do the traditional marriage.
Do the traditional marriage, and you make sure you cater for them. And the women too, you should understand. You see, women are their own enemies. I keep saying that.
But I don't want to be like white wedding.
You see, the point is, your woman will find out that you are maybe chasing another woman, and she'll get angry. She's the same woman going to give her number to another man who caused her. Because if I ask for your number and you don't give it to me, I will not have access to you.
No.
So if you give me your number, automatically you want to join the train because somebody is there already. And you yourself, you know that you are dating somebody. Why do you then give me your number to be calling you, of which you know you'll be the 3rd or the 4th? So I think, if like me, if I have money now and I want to marry, and my wife will understand me. Automatically, she have to understand me because I wish to marry like 3 or 4 because my dad married 3, and he lived strongly. You see, the people that they married one, all the people that married one, most of them die young. If you go to Amakom, Ashtown, Crowfrom, and you see any man there who is around 85, 90, as of the wives, not wife.
The wives?
Yes, not wife.
Because probably the man married about 3 or 4.
3 or 4, and you live long. Look at Solomon, the best man in the Bible God really loves. He married 300, 700 girlfriends. Wow.
It's good for us to not pick call today.
It's good not to pick call.
Yes.
Why?
It's good. It's good. You have.
No, I'm not picking calls.
Yes,
I'm not picking
yes,
calls.
sure.
I'm not picking calls.
But Father doesn't want people to
because
say
they will not say anything.
You've died.
They will not. Oh, if
died.
you open them, some people will come.
So then I will end by saying women should understand what is going on now.
Okay.
Now the research is even saying if you are to share the women to the men in Ghana, every man is going to get 8 women.
But I'm not going to solo.
Please offer allow Obro to flow because you are distracting him.
The only thing my father didn't took away from the children is education.
Yeah.
Okay.
I schooled at Christian Goldface International School, Bogo CDC. I came to KRT. I went to Nigeria for the media school, and I'm an airway. So no matter what, airway and fancy, no matter what I want.
It's the angler. It's the angler. All right then, so I'm ending the show pretty soon. Happy birthday to you, Bushman International. And then I would Madinka Ayamawa. We're a nice person. Tina Mayesta. And we say, hey, this Bushman, you like him, pal. Mayesta to say, Kono Kawada. To until me, Tabasa, they are not cause na disturbing. But happy birthday and come out. I think say me fa ko be already maka. Why is my director doing this? Hello, good morning, Papa. Papa, let me tell you. Akati, NTDC, Yapon, Edward Beba, my director, my pon. As that and come abua for the Cyber Center for the Odifana, Dr. Amagani, CJ Fashions. Kumasi amekomo ono ena oklodi me entifeno 0268505021 na onklodu director Ochinozo stubborn director and I'm the stubborn at within so stubborn director Ochinozo Sanso ena Kobe Frank me camera malone oge me MCR executive producer Ora Sam Darkus ena any AJ Hips meeting at Diana Baba eku
ya kwa Diana me dame mama akosi ademfu ase so to me go school kakra mo de bro ni bia ba na madai
one die no makabi na ma one die no yengo
ya mi nshira wo pa ni de pe fa boye de ma boss ma he na akwasi bo so plan chia no drama he na very ma say we Bushman International was in the MTF food in birthday na man e woni bona enti ya mi onshira wo fa na ho ameto afọ ha ma bia he ready show be yourself na fe every mbo sis poku e hwe ya mi e hira mi
abana show be Aborwa. Nice. About here what it? I saw Mama say, hey, so we're selective.
The person may yes, the Bambo Bracrobeco Italy, Tibia, Diana, Mauli, Germany, Samson, Mauli, US, Benjamin Mauli, Canada, Wambo Bracran, Italy, one of us, oh, me, yes. And I'm before no money.
Who can make them live? Never buy more black Ghana president. Who come
0243 302191 your call. Mami Chia Russ and that Five President James Abuati.
Okay.
Even your friend
all right.
So really. Yes, saying that people say on Sunday I hear my doctors are yet test on me. No show me.
Time or so.
You best say, "Who me a fan by one tap and
all right.
Say that means
Baby abe. Nice one. Nice one. And I pay mammy Micha you fned by we see. I was swimming mu. A baby I make say me mammy Katie de Menyana and can boy be achimary. Mammy yami ushrow now on your Kuma swade informal. Where the wire mammy. Pacho, me da wasi bebe na me ushraw. Mammy Georgina so ekoko be mammy me chia na what to say. Ma feel me be fi me ma yakwa emudu so meba na me kan ho bom so hima so me chia and afi nana very much my enra and I need enkoso ehene e wo ne hiso ono and at that time hebala no papa nana congratulations to you nyame on so panel adom do me a ejuada obusanfo ebi sensia yapon bye.
Adi. Oi. Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could debrail. Who said that will complain with Sissini Koowaa? Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. You could debrail. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. And you Edusa herbal capsules. And your Koowaa Sicilian.